technology dominates every facet of our lives and drives our society. But all that everyday equipment needs power to operate. Nothing is manual anymore. Whether it's a car, a smartphone, or a surgical device, it requires batteries. But with all the technological advancements we've made over the years, batteries simply haven't kept up.
Sony commercialized the first lithium-ion rechargeable battery for camcorders. That battery enabled a technology. It wasn't, the other way around. And with time, it's enabled more and more technologies. Go back in time, remember the big giant cell phones that were like this big and you had a case? That case was the battery. This little thing you can stick in your pocket. And then now going towards Google Glasses and a whole variety of Internet of Things. All those technologies were enabled by further advancements in battery technology, allowing them to be lighter, smaller, last longer, and become cheaper. We're based on a ceramic electrolyte. And as a matter of fact, if you look behind me, you can see a photo of that. Now that's a big picture. You have to think about that thing on what we call a micron scale. Think about it on the size of a human hair, and that is what that ceramic is. And that ceramic, like the plates that you eat with, right? They're non-flammable. You can stick them in an oven. Can't do that with a conventional battery. These things are completely non-flammable. So besides the performance, besides the fact that they have a greater energy and last longer, they do it safely.
For decades, battery technology has fallen behind. The average consumer, along with defense, aerospace, energy, and medical sectors, are all in dire need of a reliable, cost-efficient power solution that holds up in high temperatures. And Ion Storage Systems has developed the answer, a non-flammable, solid-state lithium metal battery perfect to power the advancements of tomorrow.
Our vision is to inspire the products of the future and leading the transition from legacy batteries to a safe, high-performance, solid-state solution. Today, the lithium-ion market is a $33 billion industry, and it's expected to increase to over $300 billion as early as 2027. And our technology has the unique capability to be able to completely displace traditional lithium-ion out of the market.
To understand how our battery works, you have to understand how batteries work. Every battery in the world has two electrodes, a negative and a positive. The electrodes store energy and deliver it when your device needs it. There are many types of batteries with many types of electrodes. The batteries you may know best are called lithium-ion batteries. That's what you have in your phone, in an electric vehicle, in your laptop. There's a connecting material between the electrodes called an electrolyte that carries the lithium back and forth. That electrolyte that we're using today is not compatible. It causes fires. There are electrolytes that are stable and are safe. They're called solid-state electrolytes. Batteries made with these solid-state electrolytes are called solid-state batteries. To date, no solid-state battery has been commercialized that gives everything that you need. And that's where our company comes in and our technology. We have a different way to make it, and it's a unique patented structure that gives you that safety, that compatibility with better electrodes, and it gives you all the performance that you expect out of today's batteries. So it is the complete package.
The reason I joined the company was because we had this really strong core technology. And so for us, it's an amazing place to begin. We don't just have an idea of a technology, we have something that's been demonstrated before that's really promising. The next step to making a transformative product is to focus holistically on all aspects of the technology. So not just the nitty-gritty of how it works, but how much will it cost? And ultimately, how do you manufacture it to make gigawatt hours per year? So that's in every single electric vehicle in the world.
We have some really big and ambitious plans here at Ion Storage Systems. Our commercial rollout strategy is broken into 4 phases. The first phase is the Department of Defense, which is our first market customer. The second phase is consumer electronics. The third phase is electric vehicles, and the fourth phase is grid energy storage. In addition to the technology being an important part of our vision, there's a secondary part that's equally important to me, and that's our people and how we guide them with our core values. We're building a company, not just with a great technology, but also with the best and brightest minds in the industry. And our staff are extremely dedicated, they're self-actuating, and they don't need to be told what to do. They see something that needs done and they go do it, and that's the kind of culture that we're trying to foster. At Ion Storage Systems, we will always preserve our startup mentality. We will never lose it, no matter how big we become. We will always stay hungry and nimble.
By actually listening to the needs of the market, we've created a remarkable battery that's not just different, it's better. Learn more today about Ion Storage Systems, reimagining what's possible, building tomorrow's batteries today. For more information, visit ionsstoragesystems.com.